Hi, I'm Andrea Hemphill, and welcome to Grace's Joy Candle Company. I am the proud mother of three, the wife of a military veteran, a proud member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, and I enjoy giving back to the community. The company is named after my mother, Grace, who was always giving back to her community in any way that she possibly could. So after retirement, we chose Downtown Dunn because I feel like the growth here in Dunn has so many possibilities. Being right off 95, and you have several different business entrepreneurs coming into Dunn. They're looking for space. It's cost effective. It's very affordable to start a business right now in Dunn. So I foresee the growth in Dunn taking off. Being downtown Dunn, you have so much collaboration. We're right across the street from the movie theater, who is always hosting different events. You have the Chamber, who has ribbon cuttings and introducing you to new business partners. You have Dunn Tourism that's bringing different events into Dunn. So it's a very positive area to start a new business. I love the close-knit community, the support that you receive from your business partners, the close-knit, family-centered individuals that I have met is just awesome, and it's a wonderful place to have a business. So here at Grace's Joy is where you personalize and pour your very own candle with our warm wax, and we use essential oils. We have over 70 fragrances that you choose from. You come up with your own very special scents, and you're gonna combine and blend those fragrances together to make your candle. We have a wide selection of vessels that you can choose from. So you'll learn to pour your candle, you'll learn to mix your fragrances, you're going to learn what you need on your vessels, and so forth, and it's lots of fun and relaxing. So Dunn is a wonderful place to just come and tour our city, shop at our stores, eat at our local restaurants. It's a wonderful, quaint downtown atmosphere with that hometown feeling that you won't forget. So come down, enjoy, relax, and you won't want to leave Dunn.